Good morning, guys. What we have here is a smart garage door opener with remote control by your apps, cell phone app. So inside the box is this the garage itself, the garage remote itself, and the USB adapter and the sensor for the garage door when you open or close it since through your apps, and of course the manual. And through this manual you can download the apps. For me, I am using Toya, so I have one here, and just add the button plus, and then scroll down and you can find the smart garage door opener option, and then just follow the instructions, and you'll say you'll see it if it is connected. And then after connected, install this uh, smart garage door to your garage door, home garage door, and I will show you how to install it. Take a seat, right over there, sat on the stairs, stay or leave. The cabinets are bare, and I'm unaware of just how we got into this mess. Got so aggressive. I know we meant all good intentions. So pull me closer. Why don't you pull me close? Why don't you come on over? I can't just let you go. Oh, baby. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle, baby. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. I know we meant all good intentions. So pull me closer. Why don't you pull me close? Why don't you come on over? I can't just let you go. Oh, baby. Why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle. Looking at you, I can't lie. Just pouring out admission, regardless of my objection. Oh. I might go down to the river. There's a way that the sky opens up when we touch it. It's making me say the way you hold me. This is a 3M sticker on other side of the sensor.
questions online and get connected with a licensed medical provider to figure out what's right for you. And when you go to forhims.com/growth, you can get that first expert consultation for free. Hims has everything from Lux thickening shampoo to FDA-approved, clinically proven prescription pills to help stop loss and even regrow hair. If prescribed, it's shipped right to you. No waiting weeks for an appointment, no pharmacies, no trying to figure out what actually works alone. Get years of confidence for less than $1 per day. Get your free visit at forhims.com/growth. If you're not happy with the results in 90 days, Hims can give you a full refund. Go to forhims.com/growth for your free visit. forhims.com/GROWTH.
Now I'm done installing the smart garage remote. So here is the outcome and the application of the software. Here is a Toya smart app. I'm using iPhone. And then right now it says close indicator, and here is the another option. You must make sure the open alarm and close alarm is on, and also you can see the password. And here is the button. This is the timer or recorder, and then here is the button to open and close. So I'm going to pause it and so that you can see how it works. If you look on the top, it gave me alarm that the garage was open, and then right now it's blue. This means open. So close again. Stop. So every time you close and open, and they give you a notification. So now it's closed. If you go to the garage and then me on the smart app, you will see the notification message center. And here is, I have two Toya sensor, which is the camera outside this house pointing to that the garage on my driveway. And then there is a notification both camera and sensor. If you look on the garage, and it says close alarm, and open alarm. So you can delete that if you don't like it, and then select all and close, delete. Back. My cat is outside. He's just crying. Want to get in, then go to garage and then open. And that's it.